So Pegasus Theatre were invited by Creative Multilingualism to create a performance that sort of captured the essence of the research strand about naming of birds. And when we first met, Corinne spoke about the barn swallow and the idea that that one bird travels across all 5 continents, and although it's the same bird, each culture, each tradition has its own connection to that bird. Really captured us and stayed with us. So we decided to focus the production Flights of Fancy on the barn swallow.
So he set out to steal the fire. Up, up, up he flew, miles and miles and miles above the clouds, until he reached the realm of the gods. There it was, the fire, hot and fresh and warm and ripe for the stealing.
And the thing that really captured me is that barn swallows are seen as contradictory in many cultures. So in one, it can be a symbol of faith, in another, it can be a symbol of faithlessness. In one, promiscuity, in one, part mating for life. So the thing that really struck me was how multi-dimensional, I guess, all of the stories are. Inuit families think that the swallow represents the dead children, the souls of the dead children who have come back to visit them, because they call their nest, they look like muddy igloos, mini igloos, so the swallow represents the children coming back.
Some ride with the waves, some follow the crew as it flies. What else is my heart if not made for these ravenous tides?
I love using languages. I love celebrating languages, and particularly our work at Pegasus Theatre is with young people, and young people from all over the world. And actually, if you go into any school now and ask how many languages are spoken, there are so many languages spoken by children and young people growing up. That's the world that we live in. So I love to embrace and include those languages in any performance. And for me, it doesn't matter in a performance if some things are not understood by everybody. Not everything has to be translated. There is an actual beauty just in the sounds of different languages and the sounds of different words.
Histoire à annoncer. Viva, viva.
Kde bollo, tam bollo.
Et nous suivons. Davno, davno tempo. Yaki boud, yaki nabou. Bien loin d'ici. Là où s'envolent les hirondelles quand nous sommes en hiver.
Definitely think there's a huge connection between creativity and multilingualism. The way that people's minds work, and it's not static, and creativity isn't static, language isn't static. So the fact that people are always making connections between themselves, between each other, and even within their own world, I mean, it's got a huge link, really.